What makes you think that being average is going to allow you to step above the masses? What makes you think that putting the average effort is going to allow you to succeed? Being average, putting the average effort, investing average into your business, into yourself, into what you're trying to achieve will not pass anymore.
Someone should be able to land on your real estate, your digital real estate, and say, it's very clear what they do. So three types of content I believe that a strong online brand will have. A strong online brand will have content that informs their audience.
What is your honest story? All the other panelists on here, when they speak, they may bring up their story, their reason, their why as to why they do it. Look here, I'm in the midst once again of a storm. Things going on. Things are not happening. I understand we make excuses all the time about, oh man, if I only had this type of camera, and oh man, if I only had this type of software, and oh man, if I only had this, and that. It's all excuses.
So what's really cool, I want you to think about failure as a navigation system. So you'll make a wrong turn, but then you'll pay attention and you'll start to realize, I discovered new things along the way.
So the reason why in reality you're not going and investing into yourself by going to the doctor that's going to allow you to be better is because you still have not acknowledged and understood that you need help.
And so sometimes you do have to go and be in the room. So I am on the contact list for a lot of like people call it the boring stuff, the boring networking spaces. But these are where our connectors are, the people who connect to decision makers. They need to know you. And so I'm visible. And you stick out like a sore thumb. You come in there, you look sharp, you're friendly talking to everybody, especially if you have a new face.
You have to grow. You have to be flexible. You have to adapt. You have to be transformed. And you have to be able to learn new skills and implement those skills in your strategy, your business, and stuff like that. If you can't do that, if your team cannot do that, then you may be the smartest person in the room today, but I guarantee you in 3 months, 6 months, you won't.
See, everybody's worth system is completely different because your worth is in your intellect. I can't tell you that your $100 is not valuable to you, but the value that you're putting into your business for your clients to have results in any capacity of being a creator, it's a value system.